Getting these social media graphics is taking forever. What's going on? You seem really stressed out. I am. I'm spending my entire day just on graphics. Wait a minute. Have you heard about Rachel's Canva hack? Rachel's what now? Rachel's Canva hack. You can literally create 1 year's worth of graphics in just 5 minutes. And every time that I craft a quote that I like, I put it into my quote bank and tracker spreadsheet. I use Google Sheets for that. If you want to learn more about this strategy, go watch the video before it. But basically, every time I write something that is baller, I put it into the quote bank. Like this one. The difference between haters and valid criticism is this: intent. That's a baller quote. Between Twitter, Threads, and Facebook, as well as Instagram stories, it doesn't take that long to put together hundreds of quotes. So I export this by going to download and then CSV. Create your base graphic in Canva. Go to apps and find bulk create. Upload the CSV that you just downloaded. Go to the text, click more, and then click connect data. Hit continue and then generate. I need to try this ASAP. Rachel's the mastermind. She's top of my follow list.